Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the difference between many-to-many field and one-to-many field and how to add many-to-many field in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to add tags in Odoo 19 for our custom module. So, as previously we have studied about many-to-many field, it is related to that particular field only. So, here currently I am in the library management module. In here, you can see there are lots of books, and books can have more than one genre. For example, action, fantasy, sci-fi. So, if I open any book, there aren't any genre added here. What if you want to add tags which defines the genre here? Like in terms of movies where you can see action, fantasy, sci-fi, action, RPG, or any kind of other things. So you can add that type of genre tags in Odoo with the help of many-to-many tags. How to apply many-to-many tags? Let's see. Go to the code. You first need to create a model, simple model. I'll simply create here a new file and edit genre tags.py. And what I'll do, I'll simply currently add a model, create a new model in genre tags. You don't need to inherit anything, you simply need to name tag. And I'll simply here add another, a simple name field, right? What I have done, I have simply added a model. Let me edit in the init file from dot import. I am moving fast because it is very basic things which we already covered in previous lecture. So after creating the model, we simply need to add this particular model in the view as well. So let's create this genre tag view. What I'll do, I'll simply add another view tag view.xml, and I'll simply add here to, and I don't want any action. What I'll do, I'll simply add here form, and in that form I'll simply add here model name tag egg tag, right? And here don't need any string, group, simply field name. Same for the list view as well. In view egg no, tag. Here also I need to convert it list, and here simply I need to add the field name is name. Okay, and one more thing I will do, I will simply add here action as well, list genre action model name is genre.tag. List form, no need for this fields. Keep out, don't need this one as well. And simply at last I will add menu item with genre item name is B. Genre action ID will be genre action. I will explain you just in a minute. What I'm currently doing, I'm simply creating a view. And where is our model? Yes, book root will be our parent. Book root sequence. Okay, after creating it, views tag view.xml. Okay, currently I'll just comment it because I need to add the access right for that particular model as well. So what I'll do, I'll simply just restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. While upgrading, we simply need to open log file. Yes, here I have the log file already. Here in the log file, we can simply copy the, yes, here you can simply copy the access site here and paste it here, which we have covered in our previous lecture as well. Okay, everything is done. Now I'll simply just add here, make it in the view so that we can view our particular. Okay, no errors, very good. Then see here, currently here we have, what we have done, we have simply created a model with a name field in it, nothing else. It is very simple. Let's add some of the action, then fantasy, sci-fi. Let's keep it 3. See, you can see currently we have 3 genres. Now we want to add as a tag in this particular book view. What we have to do, we have to first need to create a many to many field. Okay, so what we can do, we simply need to go to the books view, create a field, tag IDs. Remember, you need, most of the many to many field must have suffix IDS, which will suggest, anyone who read your code will suggest that it is a many to many field, many to many. And what here you need to add, you need to add first is the model name dot tag, and second, oh, I simply need to add fields, many to many, model name, and add the string as well, honor. Now I'll simply add this field in the books view, library view, in the particular form section, control V, tag IDs. Restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade your module, library management, and open any of the record. See, this is particular many to many field we have seen, but it does not looks like a tag. Means if I select any of this, it is coming in a list view, but we want as a tag. So what we can do, we can add a widget known as many to many tags in that particular field. So the field name is genre. We can simply here the field name in our books view, what we can do, we can add widget is equals to many to many tags. What I have done, I have simply added a widget named many to many tags in which field, in the many to many field. What this particular widget will do, it will create the many to many field as of tags type. Let me show you. I'll just restart the server, simply upgrading my module, upgrade. After upgrading, go to library management, open. See, now you can see it is coming like a tags. You can save it as well. So with the help of widget many to many tags, you can add this type of particular tags in your custom module. Let me summarize today's topic. In order to create tags in your custom module, all you need to do, the first primary requirement is you need a many to many field. So in order to do that, I have created a separate model and given the access right as well in view. Then what I have done, I'll simply created some of the dummy records. Then in the book view, I have created that particular many to many field with the model name journal.tag. After that, I'll simply add this particular tag IDs field in the form view of the books as well. And at last, I have added the widget many to many tags. Remember, if you don't add the widget many to many tags, it will not show like this, as I have shown you here previously without the widget. It will show like a list view. If you want as a tag, you need to add this widget compulsorily. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.